Namaskar and welcome. You're watching The Awaz and this is Janvi Parekh with you. Let's have a look on today's Uttarakhand News Bulletin. 200 roads closed due to the heavy rains in many districts of Uttarakhand. It has been raining since late Thursday night. According to the Meteorological Department, there is a possibility of heavy rains in the districts like Nainital, Champawat, Bageshwar, Pithoragarh in the next 24 hours. Talking about the capital Dehradun, the day started with the rain on Saturday morning. The storm continues in Haldwani as well. At the same time, light to moderate rain has been predicted in some places of Haridwar, Dehradun, Pauri. Due to the rain, the traffic was not completely smooth after the debris came near the Veer Bhatti bridge on the Bhavali-Haldwani highway that now 20 meters of the road near Dogaon has cracked and got absorbed in the ditch, due to which the movement of large vehicles on the road has been completely stopped. Police Speaker Prem Chand Agarwal said that all the MLAs of the ruling party and the opposition have been called for this. Uttarakhand is the second state in the country to discuss this. Earlier, Uttar Pradesh Legislative Assembly had discussed this. Whatever suggestions will come from this discussion, their report will be sent to the Lok Sabha. On the other hand, these suggestions will prepare a blueprint for the development of the state for the future governments. Uttarakhand COVID-19 updates. On August 27, 32 new cases were reported in the state. In Uttarakhand, 32 new corona infected had been found in last 24 hours, whereas no patient died due to COVID-19 in the same time period. 32 patients were sent home after recovery. The number of active cases is 321, while there were 324 active cases in the state on Thursday. According to the bulletin issued by the Health Department, the investigation report of 16,719 samples have come negative on Friday. Not a single infected has been found in 7 districts of Almora, Bageshwar, Champawat, Nainital, Rudraprayag, Tehri and Uttarkashi. Whereas 4 infected patients have been found in Chamoli, 7 in Dehradun, 1 each in Haridwar and Pithoragarh, 16 in Pauri and 3 in Udham Singh Nagar. Harish Rawat made a flurry of promises in the election season. The manifesto is yet to come. Former CM and Congress Election Campaign Committee Chairman Harish Rawat is busy with the promises and announcements these days, according to his mood. On coming to the government, 200 units of electricity free, cooking subsidy of Rs 200 to the housewives every month. Besides, a separate campaign is being run for the unemployed youth and women. The special thing is that all these promises of Harish Rawat are more viral through the internet media. Now it remains to be seen how much importance these promises get in the election manifesto. Opposition's questions surrounded the government regarding online education. The opposition also raised an important issue that due to lack of resources, there is a lack of education among the poor children. The opposition also said that in this era of COVID-19 pandemic, there has been an economic classification regarding education in the state. While the education of able children was smooth, the education of poor children has been affected most. The steps taken by the government for the education of these children have proved insufficient. Mangalore MLA Qazi Nizamuddin raised the issue of education of children during the corona period under the Rule 58 in the House on Friday. He said that there is a constant emphasis on education. The centre has increased the budget for education to 6% of the total budget. Mobile phones, laptops and tablets are required for online classes, but there is no such system in the state. Thank you. Keep watching The Awaz for the latest updates.
Please like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update.